Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Moodle Support Theater. Today we're going to take care of two questions in one video. First, we're going to show you how to activate your evaluation link, and then we're going to show you the basics of importing a course into a new course shell. When you first open your course, you're going to see the course evaluation link is already built at the top of the page, and there's also a set of instructions and a link to a quick guide with more information. Remember, it's important you activate this link. If you don't, the students will get an error message when they try to complete the form. The basic process is simple. We're going to turn our editing on and then open the link with our Edit Settings option. There we're going to see Pre-configured Tool. Use the drop-down and choose WDYT. When you're done with that, come to the bottom and save. The link is active. Now, it's important to remember it's not going to be available until the evaluation period for that quarter, and in this case the dates are November 27th and December 15th. Okay, your next step is to come to the evaluation link instructions above it, choose the Edit button, and delete that information. Okay, that link is ready to go, and that's it. This will give students an opportunity to fill in the What Do You Think form as part of an actual class activity. Now let's look at how to import a class or perhaps materials you want from a prior quarter. Before you begin the actual import process, you have a quick task to complete. Ensure that the new class has the same format as the old. By that I mean they're all topics or all weeks and have the same number of items set up. You see, if you transfer a large course into a smaller one, you're going to start getting some strange messages regarding orphans popping up, and some things won't be seen. So once you're sure both the target and the destination are identical, you're ready to go. In the left-hand column, choose Administration, then scroll down and select Import. Make sure you have the CRN or course name of the course you want to bring forward. If you see it on the list, it's very simple. Click the radio button. If not, enter it, as I'm doing here, in the search box. And after pressing search, you'll see the course pop up above the actual search box. Select it, click the radio button, and then choose Continue. You're now going to begin a multi-step process to bring the content forward to a new quarter. If you're going back several terms, I do want to caution you about importing Turnitin, as it's no longer active at SOU. Now, in many cases, you're going to want to include everything. Two exceptions that come to mind depending are the calendar, which needs to be updated anyway, and you may choose not to use groups one quarter over another. So this is where you will uncheck those items to prevent that data from being carried into the next term. Come to the lower right-hand corner, choose Next. Okay, this is the page you can select to bring everything forward or just specific items. As an example, being a Turnitin assignment, that's one thing you wouldn't want to bring forward. Another, I'm going to select something on this page not to bring forward. Uncheck the box, come to the bottom of my list, and again, lower right-hand corner, and choose Next. This is your opportunity to review your choices. A green check indicates you're going to bring that item forward. The red X's indicate that item will not be transferred. If you're happy with your sections, choose the Perform Import button in the lower right-hand corner, and if not, notice at the bottom you can go back to the previous page and make adjustments. When you're done, you'll get a message the process has been completed. It can take, depending on the size of the course, 30 to 60 seconds. When it's all done, click the link to be taken to your course. You have one final item back at the top of your new course page to take care of. If you bring your courses forward frequently, you may notice the announcements building up each time you do. I recommend deleting all but one of the announcement folders by turning editing on and then selecting Delete. As you recall, announcements are a one-way message option for you to reach out to your students. It can be confusing to have many on a page, and it's a good idea to get rid of all but one, especially early in the quarter where there's no content involved to be lost. And that, my friends, is the basic of setting up your evaluation link and importing a course into a new term. As always, if you have additional questions or problems, stop by the Center for Instructional Support. We are here in Library 321 and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching.